Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about how to do makeup for a hooded eye. And if you don't know, a hooded eye doesn't really have anything to do with your age. It could be genetics. An 18-year-old could have a hooded eye just as well as someone like me who's 51 years old. So we're going to apply eyeshadow to try to correct the way that looks. So really simple. All you want is a darker neutral eyeshadow, like a brown eyeshadow. So I'm starting out with the Sigma E35 brush for my application here. And this is just a fluffy brush that I'm going to use just to put a little eyeshadow on. Now, as you can see, I've already done one of my eyes. Let me just get you in a little closer here. I've already done this eye. So I am going to show you how I'm going to correct the other eye here. Do you see how when I look straight ahead, the eye without the eyeshadow looks like it's sagging, it looks puffy? So that's what we're gonna try to fix here. Okay, so I'm just gonna lay down a really light color. This is an old palette that I'm using, and it is definitely a used palette, but I'm just using this color in the middle here, just any light shadow. So I'm just gonna kind of put down a base. Really not showing up at all. I just wanted to get a base down. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in with a dark brown color. I'm choosing this one here, but it really doesn't matter what color you use. Just, it doesn't even matter if it's brown. If you wanted to use purple and you were going somewhere where you wanted to have purple eyeshadow, any color that is dark will work, because dark colors recede, making the eye go back. So you're basically missing like the depth of the eye socket here. So that's what we're trying to correct. So as I look straight into the camera, this skin right here is the target area for the dark color. So that is where I'm going in with my brush immediately. This is the E25 Sigma brush, by the way. We're gonna go in here into the corner of the eye, and then we're going to drag upwards here so that when I look into the camera or look into the mirror looking straight ahead, that's the area we want to target. We're not targeting here or here, and we're definitely not targeting here. If you only put eyeshadow right here, it's not going to do the trick. The trick is to see dark when you look straight ahead right here. So I'm going to go in and buff that. Basically anything you want to do to make the eye lengthen upwards is going to help. So when you do your eyeshadow, you don't want it to come down. You don't want anything to come down. You want to lift upwards. So that's why we're only going to go like this with the eyeshadow. We're going to be careful not to extend anything out into this area. You can go up a little, but you don't really want to cover up the brow. And you certainly can bring your eyeshadow down, but if you only did that, it wouldn't work. But coming down here onto the lid isn't going to hurt. So the other thing we're going to do now is we're going to add some black eyeliner. This is the Lancome black, just a black wooden eyeliner that I'm going in with. And I do line my upper waterline, not the lower, just the upper. That's what I do. You can do whatever works best for you. Sometimes I even try to extend my eyeliner like a little bit like this. Anything that creates an uplift. Then I'm gonna go in with a liquid eyeliner to help make my eyeshadow or my eye makeup last all day. I'm going in with the Tarte Sex Kitten Black Liquid Liner. We're gonna top it off with some mascara, and I've got the Benefit Roller Lash. What do you guys think? Looks a little bit better. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video on how to help to correct a hooded eye. I hope that these tips and techniques have been a little bit helpful to some of you. And as always, please hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell to be notified every time I put out a new video. I normally upload 2 times a week. And also, if you have any comments or suggestions, questions at all down below, please do leave a comment, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks and have a great day.